Hi guys, welcome to my channel. If you are new here, kindly subscribe and turn on your notification bell to get notified once I post a new video. Today's video will be simple and quick. I hope you sit back and enjoy. Today we'll be working with making starch. How to make your starch easy and quick at the comfort of your home. Our two main ingredients be water and starch. It can be a powder starch and it can be the liquid one, whichever one you can lay your hands on. So first off, you'll be adding your starch into your pot. You try to break it into your pot because most of the ones we get here is always coming this solid. So you break and add water. While you add water, you ensure to check on the consistency of the water. You try to break it off from the pot. You can see I'm trying to break it out because it will stick onto your pot. Then you add in a little bit of oil. At the point when you're adding oil, be careful. It depends on how light or how deep you want the color to be. You add in your oil. At this point, it's not on the gas. Then you transfer to your gas to start cooking. You cook and you stir continuously. You don't give it any breathing space. You stir continuously. You can see it's forming up at this point. You keep stirring. You keep stirring. At a point you start getting hard, but you just give it time. You keep stirring. At this point it's looking like what we want it to look like, but it has not gotten to that point. But you just keep stirring until it starts coming off the pot. When you start seeing it's coming off the pot, you will see how you will start noticing the stretchiness at a point. But you can see it's coming together, but you still stirring. So you turn it over and over. When you stir, you lift and you turn. You lift and you turn, so you can get done at every side. You keep up with the process. You can see now that it's perfectly done. At this point it's ready to eat. Then you just want to give it a little bit stir to get to that perfect stage. You can see the elasticity and the stretchiness. Now you can serve your starch and enjoy with any soup of choice. Right here I'll be eating my own with banga, the normal wori banga soup. I'll be eating my own with banga. You can look back on my channel. You can check on my link to get on my videos on how to make your banga from scratch, easy and quick. Thank you.